Okay, I thought I'd do a little video on how to make Beurre Noisette in your TM6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the sautéed bacon with chicken strips recipe. So what I want to do is I want, when I've finished this recipe, 100 grams of Beurre Noisette. So to get that, I'm putting 140 grams of cold cubes of butter in my Thermomix. When that cooks off, it will reduce and I'll end up with around 100 grams. I'm going to pop the lid on next. And the Thermomix is asking you to make sure that what's inside the bowl is evenly distributed. And then it says to put the splash guard on top, which I have here. I put that on and say done. Now, it's going to cook for 7 minutes at maximum temperature and high heat. So all I'm going to do is turn the dial and allow that to cook in there for 7 minutes. Now, providing you have used cold butter, small cubes from the fridge, this will make a beautiful Beurre Noisette, and you won't burn your bowl too much. So you need 140 grams at 7 minutes. Don't play around with the time, just do it exactly like that. Now you should be able to hear, I'll move in a little bit so you can. You should be able to hear the butter sizzling in the pan. So what's going to happen here is we're making sort of like a ghee, but we're taking a fraction further and we're browning the butter. So I'll come back and show you what it looks like after 7 minutes. Okay, so the 7 minutes are up. I'm just going to take my phone out of here. You can hear it carrying on a bit. Remove the lid and look inside. Now, those burnt bits on the bottom of the pan are perfectly normal. I'm going to tip this out so that you can see what it looks like. Normally I would do this through a strainer, but I just want to show you the colour of this Beurre Noisette. Now, if that's going to worry you, the bottom of your bowl, let me see if I can get some light on it. It actually comes off with just using your Thermomix brush and clean mode. It comes off really easily, but if it's going to worry you, don't do this. Let's have a look at the colour of this Beurre Noisette. Just grab the spoon out of the drawer. There you go. See how dark that is? It's beautiful. It smells like caramel and a bit nutty. So yeah, if you want to make your madeleines, use this as the butter and they will taste more caramel flavoured and more nutty.